Hello, I'm Shemaine from Natural Baby Shower, and today we'll be looking at the Maxi-Cosi Pebble 360 Pro in a little more detail. Let's get started. The Maxi-Cosi Pebble 360 Pro can be used from birth up to 15 months, which is approximately 40 centimeters to 87 centimeters. The maximum weight will be 13 kg. It has a lay flat feature, which you can use in the car and on your chassis, and 360 rotation, as well as the new innovative slide technology. It is compatible with two modular bases. The first one is the Family Fix 360 Pro base, and the second one is the Family Fix 360 base. It is easy to install in the car with your ISOFIX points, and again, easy to adjust load leg with window indicators in red and green. If you choose to forward face once your baby is 15 months, just inform the base by flicking the switch, and it will give you the full 360 swivel. It has G-cell technology, which is your side impact protector, which will prevent any force going anywhere near baby in the cause of a collision. It is TÜV approved, meaning it is certified on aircrafts as well as in cars. Easy to use 3-point harness. The sun canopy has UPF 50 sun protection, so very high sun protection. The fabrics are used from 100% recycled materials. They're very soft to the touch and very breathable. It has innovative slide technology, meaning we can swivel baby towards us, but then pull baby out, preventing us from banging heads or sore backs. The Maxi-Cosi Pebble 360 Pro has an ADAC rating of 1.8. The Maxi-Cosi Pebble 360 Pro is compatible with many different pushchairs. All you'll need to do is buy the adapters from the pushchair company. Simply click them on like that and attach your car seat, and you're ready to go. So we hope you found this video enjoyable. If you'd like to learn more, you can log on to our website or book a virtual appointment with us. Alternatively, you can visit us in our store. We'll see you soon. Bye.